Hey y'all, it is Info Girl. I hope everyone is doing well. And if you are new here, then welcome to my channel. But I'm super excited to dive into a topic that affects millions across the United States. Credit report errors in the recent lawsuit against Experian, one of the largest credit reporting agencies in the world. Now, I know what you're probably thinking, credit reports, lawsuits. Let me assure you this information that can impact your financial future, so you might want to stick around for this video. First off, let's talk about what a credit report is and why it's so important. Your credit report is a financial profile of your borrowing and repayment history. It contains information about your credit accounts, payment histories, and even public records like a bankruptcy. A credit report plays a significant role in determining your credit score, which affects everything from loan approvals to interest rates on credit cards and mortgages. But here's the kicker. Studies have shown that about 1 in 5 consumers have errors on their credit reports. And these errors can lead to serious financial consequences: denial of credit, higher interest rates, and even increased insurance premium. Now, this is where the problem lies, and it really hits home when you have learned about this Experian lawsuit. In recent years, consumers have reported a growing trend of inaccuracies in their credit report, specifically from Experian. Lawsuits were filed, including class action suits, which allege that Experian not only provided inaccurate information, but also failed to correct these mistakes in a timely manner. This meant that individuals were penalized for errors that weren't even their fault. Now, imagine applying for a mortgage and being denied because of inaccurate, unpaid debt showing up on your credit report. You worked hard, you've made your payments, but one small error throws a wrench in your plans. This is where consumer protection laws come into play. Understand the Fair Reporting Act. Consumers have the right to dispute inaccurate information on their credit report. However, filing a dispute does not always guarantee quick resolutions, as many of us has experienced. So we've all experienced long wait times and a lack of communication from these credit bureaus. Now that the lawsuit is beacon of hope for those affected, with this legal action, consumers are standing up and demanding accountability from Experian. They're asking for not just the correction of these errors, but also for the transparency in the process. They are pushing for measures that will help protect consumers' rights and ensure that credit reporting agencies operate fairly. Now, as we talk about this lawsuit, I want to empathize the importance of being protective about your own credit report. Now, it's important for you to check your credit report regularly. And when I mean regularly, I mean regularly. You can also access your credit report for free once a year from each of the 3 major credit bureaus: Experian, Equifax, and TransUnion. So take advantage of this and keep a close eye on your financial record. Now, if you find inaccurate information that's on your credit report, make sure to document any correspondence you have with the bureaus. Write down dates, name, and details of those conversations. If you have trouble resolving these issues, do not hesitate to push the situation to be corrected. You also might want to seek legal advice as well for this situation that's going on right now. In conclusion, first take your credit seriously, understanding what's on it, and don't allow errors to harm your financial. Lawsuits represents a large fight for fairness in our financial system. If we band together and shine the light on these issues, we can create a positive change. Well, thank you for watching this video and for being a part of this conversation. If you found this information helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and share it with others. Let's empower each other when it comes to understanding our rights and improving our financial future.